Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Thursday already. Wow, it's the 30th of March, 2023. Right now it's about 8:24 a.m. Central Time. Cubs opener day in Chicago. Yeah, we'll be in the 40s for them. It's crazy what they do. It'll be near 60 away from the lake, but unfortunately we're on the lake where the stadium is, and it will be on the cold day. Now, there's a lot of economic data out today, but it's important to note that the NASDAQ has entered bull market territory again, 20% off the lows of the market, and not breaking at this point. Why? Because the market is saying that the Fed will never go through with raising all the rates that they're doing. That is the bet that is going on. Okay. Remember, tech-heavy stocks require low interest rates or lower interest rates. It's a relative term. We'll see what goes on there. The dollar under some selling pressure as you're getting bids coming in across the currency market. Silver had a nice run to 24.10. It's given some of that up right now, but it's still a nice gain on the day. Gold's pretty steady on the day at this point. Remember, you want to get out of May silver now and roll to the June. I'm going to do that, so this is the last time you'll see that with it. But look at. Remember we were down to 66, 65 in the crude just recently, and Biden didn't buy? You're up to 73, 73. So the man left $8 on the table. He and his energy secretary, a pair of not telling the truth people. I'll be gentlemen like that. He hasn't said one word about it, if you notice. And the reporters don't question him. I don't get what that's all about. They should. Grain market's a little bit of a bid. We had some reasonable exports in soy meal today. That's kicking things off. We get some acreage numbers coming up soon. That will be very important to the market as well. In terms of the day's data, we had the final GDP numbers, and they came in at 2.6%. They were expecting 2.7%, so a tenth less, but all the other numbers just about in line, except final core PCE up a tenth. Did the market care? Not at all. Jobless claims, still under 200,000, but they did go in the right direction. They were up 7,000. Continuing claims up 4,000. So this tells me you have not seen that weakness, that wobble in labor in any manner to speak of. And I know we keep hearing Disney's laying 7,000 off, McKinsey laying 1,400 off. What was it, Salesforce, 7%. You know, we keep hearing the different firms that are all coming through with this, not doing anything. We get the natural gas numbers today. And Federal Reserve, we get three people speaking today, Barkin, Collins, and Kashari. And we will see just what they have to say with all that's going on, because you haven't had a lot of Fed talk since the last Fed meeting and since the banking crisis. But that banking crisis certainly looks like it has been resolved in a major, major fashion. And I think that's something you look at. Another thing I want you to do is join me. Yeah, I'm asking you to join me in the mornings, because I get up, I start recording about 5:15 in the morning, and my traders have already had all the recommendations from me. Buy here, sell there, do that. They've had all the news you're seeing right now, and they've digested it over 2 hours at this point, 2.5 hours. So they've had it a long time, and there's an edge to that. At least I think so. I cover all these markets. I look at daily and weekly charts. On the weekend, you get weekend-only review of 40 different charts, and I think that's important. You get our free charting software for your phone. Yeah, it does chart, it does news, it does oral reports, an awful lot there. How do you get this? Just go to our website. All you need to do at that point is go under the word research, and you will see where I have my morning ETF, my combos, and my morning subscriber videos. Just move your cursor up here. If that's too difficult, you'll see an icon. Give it a click. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. You have a good trading day.